Welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a panna cotta. It's smooth, creamy, and easy to make. Less than 5 minutes you can be done, and the only thing that takes time is allowing you to set. So come with me and let me show you how it's done. So we start off by preparing our gelatin by adding water to it. So then we add our cream to our pot and then add some sugar to it and then some vanilla essence. So then we take our pot on the stove, put it on medium-high heat just enough to melt the sugar. Take the pot off the stove, then add your gelatin and mix it. And then after that, put it back on the stove so that you can melt the gelatin, because sometimes it's not completely melted, so you want it to make sure that everything is incorporated into the cream. Now pass it through a sieve so that there are no lumps. Pour your panna cotta into any mold that you want to use. Fill it completely, just fill it to about 2/3 of a cup. Your panna cotta with a plastic wrap. Make some holes on the plastic wrap so that steam can escape when you put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. After your panna cotta has set, take it out of the fridge. Pour some boiling water into a bowl. Loosen the sides of your panna cotta with either your finger that's clean or the back of a spoon or a knife. Now place the cup with the panna cotta inside the water for some few seconds and then take it off. Using a new plate, unmold your panna cotta by just inverting the plate and then just bringing it back and leaving it in there. There we have it, guys. It's done. After that, just garnish it and then just have a taste. Okay, that's it from me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media links. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.